Hi, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use the drawing option in Padlet. So for this question where it says Raymond drank 1.5 gallons of water today, how many pints of water did he drink? So this question is asking you to use drawing to help you. So I'm going to click on the plus button right here, and then I will click on the three little dots here that says more. So I will go to the option here, as I said, that says more, and click on drawing, and here I could draw what I want. Sometimes it's difficult to draw, so what I would do, I would click on my pad, and then I will, with one finger, and I'll use the other finger to draw whatever I want. Okay, and then I release and I click it again, and I keep drawing. Alright, sometimes it's really difficult to draw, but I know you guys know how to play with it, play around with it. You can change the color right down here if you want to, and after you've done with your drawing that will help you solve the problem, just click save, and it will take a minute and go straight into the Padlet under the question that you've answered. After you've done this, please remember where it says title, just write your name and then click out of the question, and you are done. Out of the chat that you're writing, just click out of it, and then you are done.